Hello everyone! Let's take a closer look at how you can use the Post tab inside the General channel or inside of any other channel that you add to your Microsoft class team in order to communicate and collaborate with your students. Inside the Post tab, you can post important announcements, share reminders and updates with your class, as well as engage your students in dynamic, interactive class conversations. Any member of your class can start a post by simply coming down to the new message text box here at the very bottom inside the Post tab of a channel. Here in the new message text box, I can simply start typing my message to the class. Once I've typed my message, I can simply tap enter on my keyboard, or I can come down here to the bottom right corner and click on the paper airplane send icon to send this post to the stream of the Post tab. Now, before I send this particular message to the Post tab, let's go ahead and enhance this message. Notice that below the new message text box, I see a variety of options, including the ability to format text, as well as the ability to attach files. And notice that I can add emojis, animated GIFs, or even stickers to my posts. Let's go ahead and add a sticker to today's post. And I'm simply going to click on that paper airplane icon to send my post to the stream of the Post tab. Now, as I mentioned before, you can also create announcement posts, similar to the welcome to our class team announcement that you see here in the stream. To do so, I simply come down to the bottom to start a new conversation, but this time I'm going to click on the A for format icon. Here where it says along the top, new conversation with the dropdown, I'm simply going to change that to an announcement. Now you see that I have the ability to enter in a bold headline, a subheading, as well as the body for my announcement. In order to change the background of this headline, I can either click on the color palette to change the color of the background, or I can click on the image to select either an illustration from Microsoft Teams or upload an image for a custom banner. Let's go ahead and choose an illustration and select done, and I can go ahead and type my headline. Now that I've entered in the details for my announcement, I can decide if I want everyone in the class to be able to reply, or notice that I can click the drop down and select you and moderators can reply. This means that only you and any co-teachers you have in the class can reply. The students will not be able to. Notice next to this setting, you also have the ability to post in multiple channels. So if you had other channels created for organizing this team, you could post this announcement in multiple channels. Now, before I post this announcement, I'm going to attach a file. So I'm simply going to come to the very bottom of my screen here and click on the paperclip icon, and I'm going to attach a file from my OneDrive. Once I've selected my file, I simply click Upload and Copy, and that's going to upload to my team. Once it's ready, I can simply click on that paper airplane icon to send this announcement to the stream of the Post tab inside, in this case, the General channel.